detect any kinds of object which are passed through and move through the ultraviolet ray, and ultraviolet detect that kind of things. Okay, so you can find out there the shopping mall, it is the handheld scanner can be used. After that there are the OCR. OCR is the optical character reader recognition, because the beat or pattern of the signatures or an image are captured earlier, and any kind of signatures are captured earlier, and this scanner is just matching the pattern. Whatever the pattern we have defined inside the computer system or things, it can be just matching. So OCR is the used for read the character from the printed paper into the computer. The shape of character is recognized by the OCR through a light source in conjunction with the photoelectric signal. When the text page is scanned, it is converted into the computer readable form and reproduced from the that look similar to the page has been typed. That means what? Whatever the earlier capture image, it is going to just match it through the this scanner, OCR scanner. Through OCR scanner, we can only perform the whatever the signature that is correct or not. Apart from you have entered the ADM machine, there are also the OCR scanner that can be examine your ADM card, whether it is original or a clone kind of card, how it is detected through the OCR, because all the information related to your bank account details, your signatures, your PIN number, all are attached with that magnetic ADM card. And when the chip, when you insert it inside the OCR detect your whatever the information preserved inside it, it is detect, examine, match it. After that, it further say you to do the process. So OCR is the just examine purpose of any kinds of captured image earlier. Then there are the OMR, optical mark reader recognition. The full form is here. The OMR sheet is basically used to evaluate the competitive exam OMR sheet. The competitive exam OMR sheet has a box kind of pattern. It is the circular pattern where we can dark it any one option out of multiple option. That option is evaluated through the OMR sheet scanner. So OMR sheet capturing the whatever you have dark onto the circle, it is the correct place or not. After that, it is going to evaluate it. That is the purpose of OMR sheet. Then the MICR, magnetic ink character recognition or a reader. This kind of scanner is basically check whether the check in the banker's check is the authentic check or a clone kind of check. Basically, OMR is the 16-digit number that can define with the different kinds of pattern, and there is the one kind of electromagnetic ink HU. When the scanner examines this electromagnetic ink 16-digit printed number onto the check, its color is going to the chain. After color change, it is authenticate, it is the genuine. Otherwise, the fake kind of check, the color is not going to the chain. So this kind of MICR scanner basically evaluate whether the check, banker's check is genuine check or a fake check. After that, there is a BCR. BCR is the barcode reader. The barcode reader scanner is contains onto the good. Standard good contains the long rectangular bar. There are the series of bar in the thin and the dash bar is present. When the ultraviolet ray of BCR scanner is struck onto the bar, it interpret that bar in the human readable form or a computer form, and it provides the details of all the things. Whatever the things are mentioned there inside the encoded format of the bar, it can be visible onto the screen. That's all for in this video lecture. We have overall know about this, what is the scanner, types of scanner, their working process. Thank you and have a good day.